Hi friends, it's Miss Elena, and today we're going to be making a no-bake Twix pie. So the ingredients you'll be needing are vanilla wafers, about an 11-ounce box of which you will then crumble and crush them. I put mine in a plastic bag. Butter melted, 1/3 cup butter melted, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, softened, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I have my vanilla extract, 8 ounces of Cool Whip. I think a tub already is 8 ounces, so you'll be using the whole thing. 2 cups of Twix candy bars. I have some in a baggie, and I've pulled out a cup because you'll have to divide that in the recipe. And for drizzling, you'll need chocolate and caramel sundae sauce if you'd like. That's optional. Okay, let's get started. Okay, to begin, spray a pie pan with non-stick cooking spray, which I've done here. We're going to pour the crushed vanilla wafers into the pan, along with the melted butter. Get all the melted butter out. And we're going to mix that. Mix it until well combined. It really smells good. You want to get that really well mixed. Then you're going to firmly press the wafers onto the bottom and up the sides of the pan. Okay, so we're just going to make sure your hands are clean before you start pressing. But you want it all the way up the sides of the pan. It smells good. Okay, there you go. We're going to set this aside. Next, in a medium bowl, we're going to beat together the cream cheese, which is softened, with the vanilla extract, which is 1 teaspoon. Until it's light and fluffy. 2 to 3 minutes. for a few minutes just to get it off the sides of the bowl. Scrape any of the mixers. Okie doke. We're going to fold in the whipped cream. Well, the Cool Whip, I should say. I'm going to fold the whole thing in. So when we fold, we simply kind of gently stir it around and around. That's folding. It's like you're turning it over. You're not really stirring. You're gently turning it over and over until everything is mixed. Then you're going to fold in 1 cup, which I have here, of the Twix Candy. The Twix Candy you will have chopped up into pieces, so that's what it looks like. I'm going to dump that in. And again, we're just turning it over gently, folding it in. Occasionally scrape the sides, make sure you got it all. Make sure it's well mixed. You want it to be evenly mixed, the candy, throughout the pie. Okay, so basically, we are then going to put this into our prepared crust. Go. We're going to just smooth out the top so I can see the nice pieces of candy in there. I'm going to just push it because we don't want to mix it. We don't want to bring up the pie crust. You want to kind of push it out to the ends and smooth it out. Nice and smooth. Okay, put a little more over here. There's a little hole there. Okay. Okay, and there we have it. I'm going to chill it for at least 3 hours until the pie has set. And then before serving, you're going to top the pie with the remaining Twix bars, which I have here, and drizzle with chocolate and caramel sauce. So there you have it. I know it's going to be delicious. Enjoy it, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.